The Freedom Factory is about creating streams of income. In order for you to become financially free, for most people, you have to go out and earn more money. If you could already be free earning the money that you're currently earning, you probably wouldn't even be interested in this podcast. So earning more money allows us to take care of some bills, take care of some debt, and then hopefully investing that money, not spending it, and getting ahead of the game, getting to that freedom that you're looking for. Hey, welcome back, everyone, to our podcast, The Freedom Factory. It is a pleasure to be here with you guys each and every week to talk about topics that can help you reach your goals of financial freedom. And today's topic is going to be about affiliate marketing. And I got to pause here. I'm looking at the camera. I'm just rolling with this, guys. For those that get this on YouTube or don't, a couple weeks ago, well, this past weekend, I had a ton of responsibilities, lots of pressure. I was one of the keynote speakers, and I don't know if here's the bottom line. My left eye has been swollen, and I can only imagine it's some type of reaction to the intensity of the weekend, but I'm rolling with this. So you guys get a good laugh if you're on YouTube. My eye is swollen, but we're going to do this anyway because I want these out every week, regardless of what I look like. So, and if you're listening, well, then I'm good. You're good. So affiliate marketing, it has become a force in the economics horizon. It is something that is here to stay. It is something that you probably see every day, whether you know what you're seeing or not, you're seeing it. If you're in social media, you are seeing affiliate marketing, and maybe you are clicking the links and purchasing. You probably are. You see something, you see the ad 4, 5, 10, 20 times, and then eventually it's the right time. You click and you are into someone's funnel. What does that have to do with the Freedom Factory? Well, for one, the Freedom Factory is about creating streams of income. In order for you to become financially free, for most people, you have to go out and earn more money. If you could already be free earning the money that you're currently earning, you probably wouldn't even be interested in this podcast. So earning more money allows us to take care of some bills, take care of some debt, and then hopefully investing that money, not spending it, and getting ahead of the game, getting to that freedom that you're looking for. And that's why I love what's happening right now with affiliate marketing. It wasn't even possible pre-smartphones. I guess it was, but you would be very limited. And basically what it is there are companies that will allow you to sell their product in a nutshell. And for doing so, there's a commission. Well, sales have been around forever, but decades ago, you were limited to, one company or maybe a couple companies at most. Well, now, because of technology and the ability to send links that connect the customer to you and you to the supplier or the producer of the product, it enables you to be eligible for commissions. And I've joked before in my network marketing presentations that I wish every company offered this. Hey, if you're looking over my shoulder, right? I'm a sports fan. I'm from New Orleans, so I'm a Saints fan. I wish the Saints would allow me to earn money on selling tickets for them. Or if I was able to convert some friends to become Saints fans, I would earn money every time they went to the game or every time they watched a game. Pick your favorite sports team, whatever your favorite sports team is. How cool would it be if the owner gave you a link that you could give to someone else that maybe gave them a discount, gave them an advantage, and they got to enjoy the game. They got to be a fan. You got to earn commission and happy days, right? I wished I've got a boat out back. I wish Grady White would give me a link because I've told a lot of people about this boat I like. I could go on and on. My favorite restaurants. I wish they gave me a link. I wished everybody gave me a link. And so that's what affiliate marketing is. It's the ability to represent a product or a service, and you get paid by telling the story and people participating. It's a beautiful thing. And it's here to stay. And so, for all of you that are listening to this podcast, I'm going to give you a couple reasons why you should be a part of affiliate marketing. And if you're listening to this already and you're in a network marketing company, you already are at some level a part of affiliate marketing. I will tell you, if your compensation plan does not have a specific way to get paid by just selling products. In other words, not building the team, but just selling the products and earning a significant amount of money, like not 5%, not 10%. And I'm talking residually, not just the one-time purchase. So you need to be able to find a comp plan in network marketing that will pay you every time the customer purchases. Okay. Not just once, every time. That is true passive income, leveraged income in affiliate marketing. And so find that, because they're out there. Those companies are out there, and the good companies recognized it years ago and have already pivoted. In fact, there's a lot of companies that are going out of business because they didn't pivot. They waited too late, and they're paying the price. So here's a few reasons why you might want to have this type of link to share. Number one, it gives you leverage without overhead. So you don't have to inventory this product. If you're an affiliate marketer, an example comes to mind. I've got a good friend that created a shaker bottle. And it is a unique patented shaker bottle. In fact, it actually shakes the protein up or whatever you're putting in it without the little insert, that little mesh metal ball to break things up. It's the shape. And so I guess I should probably be putting that affiliate link inside this podcast. I might do that. Anyway, he built his whole business. He has sold, I don't know, probably millions of dollars at this point, because he's on Amazon, he's at Walmart, he's all over the place. And he built it with giving people at the gym affiliate links. And so all these gym kids, I call them kids, constantly posting their shaker bottles and their affiliate link. And it built a huge brand and a huge business for them. And so that is leverage. I didn't, like, if I give you my link, I don't have to inventory 10 or 20, 30 or 100 bottles. I just give you the link and it comes directly from the manufacturer. That's leverage. Now, if you find a company that will give you the residual piece of that, in other words, like with my friend, I could be misspeaking, but when you use that link, it's just good that one time. If they ever reorder, they would have to use the exact same link. If you find the right company, once they become a customer and they reorder, they are automatically connected to you. Now, that's what you want to be looking for, because that is the passive income side of getting these affiliate links. The third thing is it allows you to make money on your influence. If you're already on social media, or if you have an influence in your market, maybe people come to you for advice. That means you have influence. You should get an affiliate link. I mean, if you find people coming to you on, how you're staying in shape, or why your hair is so beautiful, why your makeup's so perfect, why your landscape is so perfect, how did you do this? If people are coming to you with questions, could be cooking, like give me your recipes. If people are coming to you for advice, it usually means you have influence, and there's someone out there that will pay you for that information. Okay. I promise you, someone out there will pay you. And it's a beautiful way for people to earn extra money, maybe that have a full-time job. So, you don't have to quit what you're currently doing to become an affiliate marketer. Of course, the more time you put in it, the more skills you get, the better you'll become at it. And lastly, as you learn the profession, as your skills increase, of course, you'll earn more money. So one of the beautiful things about affiliate marketing is it pays you for the work you're doing. There's a lot of people out there that are underpaid. um, based on a salary or a set scheduled income. And that is not the case with affiliate marketing. You find the right company, the right service, the right compensation, and it's absolutely sky's the limit. Okay. So how do you go out if you have a company that has an affiliate program? Like if you're in a network marketing company or any company for that matter, ask them if they have an affiliate compensation plan that allows you to bring other affiliates in for you to benefit. Okay. If they do, what you want to do is create a really, really attractive but concise offer to them. Something that maybe you could, I would recommend putting together a little video that you can send over to them, something that's probably less than 60 seconds, because if anybody has influence in social media, they probably get a lot of these type messages, and you want to stand out and you don't want to waste their time. Okay. So put together an offer for them. Highlight the win-win, highlight for them what's in it for them, right? That's what everybody wants to know. What's in it for me, right? Use some social proof. So what do I mean by that? Maybe in that video, you might want to have 2 or 3 testimonies of people that are using your company and your products and winning as affiliates right now. Super powerful way for people to say, okay, working for them, it'll probably work for me. Offer them training and support, because if they're not familiar with the way things work with the products, the IT, offer them support so that they don't feel like they're own and have to figure it out for themselves. Because again, these people are busy and they're not trying to figure out and reinvent the wheel. They just want to earn some extra money. And then lastly, give them a community to tap into. Give them a community of other people, other sellers that are doing the same thing, and they'll feel at home. They'll feel like they can scale, and they'll feel like their efforts will be rewarded. So I'm here to tell you guys, affiliate marketing is here to stay. For those of you that are building a team inside of a network marketing company, don't be threatened by affiliate marketing. In fact, if I was you, I would actually be looking for ways to attract these people to your business, obviously, by this podcast. And then perhaps they may want to learn more about how they can increase their income, because while there is good money to be made in affiliate marketing, when you can get the leverage of bringing other affiliates in, which most all network marketing companies have, now we're talking some significant income, not just a few hundred, a few $1,000, and it's something that can take on a life of its own. So get good at it. Be a part of it. It's here to stay. Affiliate marketing is going to be around because it's outside of the realm of network marketing. It is inundated into a lot of different companies. I wish all companies would do it, as I said already. And I believe that if you spend enough time getting good yourself and then sharing that story with others and how you're able to make an extra $500, $1,000, $5,000, $10,000, whatever it is, through your affiliate program, that is very, very attractive to other people, because listen, it's in harmony with what we already do. If you are enjoying a product or a service, what do? Like, if you enjoy a really good meal, what do? Or a really good movie? You tell people. And so that's all it is. Find a product that you really like. These shaker bottles I like. I've told a lot of people about the shaker bottles. Simple. It's so simple, guys. It's in harmony with our nature as people. We share information. We share products we like, helping other people. Why not get paid? So I hope you enjoyed this podcast, guys, of the Freedom Factory. We've got a lot of cool things happening at the Freedom Factory. We've got some new branding starting to happen, new websites that are coming. You guys, some really cool stuff's in the works. So stay tuned to what we're doing here. Please share out this podcast, take some screenshots, share that in your feeds and your stories. I love to see it. And who knows, if I see it, we'll grab it, we'll repost it, maybe get you some gifts, some cool stuff. So you guys have a great week. Talk to you next Monday.